Hi, kiddos. So we're going to hit it again tomorrow, Sunday, trigger practice, 10 a.m. Be there. Here's why. It's hilarious. It's an amazing, hilarious, fun practice. When you hear the word trigger practice, you're like, I don't want to do that. I know, and because there was really only one person that showed up. Thank you. I love you. Thank you for showing up, you brave soul. You know who you are. And I had so much fun doing a birthday circle, celebrating your birthday. Okay. So, why you might want to show up tomorrow and play with trigger practice? Well, trigger practice has been profoundly, hands down, the number one practice for me to get at that negative self talk and chatter. That disparaging, negative Nelly talk in my head that everybody has, that you have, that I have, that we do, that I'm not good enough, I don't make enough money, shit, I should have said that, oh my gosh, I didn't really accomplish that today, or whatever. It just cuts right through that. And in such a fun, jovial way. There's such a sense of humor to trigger practice. Like, it's so joyful. And I don't know why they call it response challenge. I'm going to recoin this and envelop like good triggers. We are leaving thousands of good, positive, fun, joyful triggers that can help change that negativity bias habit in the brain that I'm always talking to you guys about on the table. We're leaving those opportunities to flip that switch on the table every day. We're going to come up with a new name for this. I love trigger practice. It could be trigger in any way, good, bad, right, wrong, whatever. But I response challenge, I would say response challenge, response opportunity practice. Oh, that's it. Response opportunity practice. ROP, ROP. That sounds weird. Okay, anyway, I digress. Okay, the next amazing benefit to trigger practice is it sets your practice on fire. Rubber hits the road. Daily life. It's like, this is why you do this practice. So in real time, in life, in the thick of it, you're like, oh, yeah, right? It's amazing. Okay, the next bit is amazing community education and learning. We get to sit with, when we play with and sit with other people with this practice, we realize, oh, I'm not alone. I'm not alone. I'm not the only one that gets triggered. Everybody gets triggered. Oh, wow, they get triggered. I even get triggered about their trigger. I'm like, look, my triggers aren't bad. Look at that. That person's got a lot of triggers. Responses. It's a glimpse to seeing you're not alone. And it's fun and joyful and playful. And it just, it's fun to play with in community and support and knowing, like, I'm not alone. I'm not being triggered all day long and pretending it's not happening. I'm not alone. Like, ooh, hope they didn't know I got triggered by that. I hope they didn't see my reaction. Oh, I got to call and tell them I'm sorry. Okay, right? So many things. So many things. And lastly, it is the deepest, I probably should have started with this one, but it is the deepest self-love practice you can do. So tomorrow, I'll see you. Trigger practice, 10 a.m. In fact, we're going to do the whole month of June trigger practice, I think. Yeah, we're going to do the whole month of June. We're going to play in this land. And then let's do a retreat down here on the land in July. Like an overnight retreat, maybe in July, end of June. Well, not end of June, but beginning of July, sometime in July, mid-July, something, I don't know. But let's end with some kind of communal retreat, fire ceremony, practice, play, meditation, community, come together. Yeah, let me know if you're interested in. That's a great idea, I think, maybe. See you tomorrow.